my name is Darlene Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your professional life coach, counselor, and speaker. So number one, the first tip is disconnect from social media. Why do I disconnect from social media? I disconnect from social media because I want to be extremely mindful of what I'm taking in. Social media can be such a trigger for so many people. So let me give you an example. If you're going through a breakup and you're really sad and you're really down, the last thing you need to do is scroll through social media and see all these couples boo loving and kissing, saying, I'm so happy I found the man of my dreams. That may not be your story right now. You may be going through something different. So when you look at social media, the brain has a way of comparing your life to their life. And sometimes social media is not even real. Sometimes people post pictures that say their life is perfect and that they're doing all these great things, and really they're arguing and fighting behind closed doors. So that I won't be exposed to anything that could be a trigger for me, I disconnect from social media. The other thing that's a trigger for me is animal abuse. I hate to see people abusing animals. And even though I don't follow people on Facebook or Instagram that post videos like this, occasionally it's a promoted video, and the video may be trying to tell people to stop abusing animals, but they show a picture of a dog being set on fire or something crazy. So social media, because people are able to pay for ads and sponsorships, you really cannot always censor what you take in when you go on social media. So the first thing I do is I disconnect, I unplug from social media. The second thing that I do is I take in good music. Good music. Did you know that music has a way of affecting your emotions? Did you know that certain songs are nostalgic? They can bring up memories from the past that make you feel invigorated, that make you feel excited, but they can also bring up memories that make you feel down and sad. So music is so powerful that some religions even believe that you shouldn't listen to music because it is like a drug. It can make you happy, it can make you sad. So because of that, I make a conscious effort to listen to positive music, music that is uplifting to me, music that is motivational to me. So I have certain songs that are nostalgic. They just bring back such great memories. One of those songs is Jordan Sparks' No Air. It's a whole story behind that song, but I'm not going to get into it. But me and my friend, we used to sing this song all the time. So when I get down, I'll put on Jordan Sparks' No Air because it's going to mentally take me back to a place when I was sitting in the car with my friend and we were singing No Air. See, I love music. I also play gospel music. So if I'm in a really challenging place, the last thing I want to play is a song that confirms my negative thoughts or makes me feel even more sad. The third thing that I do is I will go on YouTube, or I will just go on YouTube for the specific purpose of listening to a sermon or a motivational speaker. And I want you to be aware that you can never listen to the same sermon or listen to the same speech too many times. If that speech or that sermon or that person motivates you, by all means, listen to it again and again. So below in the description box, I'm going to link my favorite sermon. It's by Tony Evans. It's about the power of prayer, and the story is about Elijah and how he prayed for rain. Now, it really does not matter what walk of life you come from or what religion you are. When someone is speaking facts and speaking truth, that's just what it is. And so Tony Evans is talking about faith, and he's talking about believing in the power of prayer. So I'm gonna link that below for any of you that are interested. But I listen to that sermon over and over and over. I get down and I'm like, you know what? I'm losing faith. Let me listen to this again. So my 3 tips in summary are: number 1, make sure you disconnect from social media because you don't want to be indirectly exposed to something negative or something triggering. Number 2, listen to good music. If you have songs that remind you of a happier time, listen to those songs, listen to that music. You want to fill yourself up with positive thoughts, and you want to fill yourself up with positive energy. And number 3, find a motivational speech, a podcast, a motivational speaker, a sermon, or something that has motivated you in the past, and listen to it again. Motivation does not get old. Positive thoughts do not get old. So just make sure that you're mindful of what you're taking in while you're going through a challenging time. I hope this message blessed you. My name is Darlene Scott, and I could be reached at d.scott@basic-bliss.com.